Have you ever wondered on how we can read multiple well log files at the same time? Well, this video is for you. We will start with known libraries like Matplotlib and Pandas. Using Matplotlib, we will scan a folder that's basically full of well log files. So these are basically the files we have. You can have any number of files you want. Once we have those files in place, now it's time to write a code that scans these files using the Matplotlib utility. We will pass in the names of the folder and then we will start creating a scan for our files, and we will use the extension last to look for these files. Once we have those in place, we will start printing those. So this is what the files. Once you have these in place, now it's time to start reading those one by one. And once we read those last files, we will append those into a list that's called logs. And based on these logs, we're going to also start plotting them in the same loop. First of all, we will start importing the Matplotlib library that allows plotting, and we're going to create a figure that's containing 12 columns or 12 tracks. Based on these tracks, we will start distributing these well logs on top of these 12 tracks. We will start iterating on those well logs one by one, and then we will start plotting the x and y. So we will set the depth on the y-axis, and the x is going to be any mnemonic or any parameter we want. Once we have those files in place, we will need to shift the y-axis to be the depth and x-axis to be the gamma ray or any parameter we want. Once we have those, we take a look at how these files look like. Of course, we can also change the width and the height of these so it's more resembling of what we have in real life. We can also have the last track to combine all of these wells at the same time and basically calculate an average for. Thank you so much for watching. Follow us for more videos.